Good evening, viewers from Dubai Marina. Slightly cloudy tonight. I'm heading to JBR Beach. Here we are at Five Guys. JBR Beach is just straight opposite. Down there. Unfortunately, I don't think we're going to get much of a sunset tonight. It's quite cloudy. It even looks like it might rain, but I doubt it. The beach is just straight on down there. One more block. It's all pedestrianised from now on. It's only a very short walk from Dubai Marina. Straight on down here. So come on with me tonight, guys. I'm heading down to the beach at JBR. And as you can see, this is the beach. It's really busy. I'm amazed how busy it is tonight. No sunset, unfortunately. It's too cloudy. See the big wheel over there? The sunset should set behind it, but not tonight. What do I think of the beach? Too crowded. Not for me. There's not that much space really on it. Yeah, but it's okay. It's not Boracay, is it? Just amazed how many people are down here tonight. Watching the sunset, even though it's slightly cloudy. Welcome to the beach, JBR. A lot of sunshades here, a lot of sunbeds. Not sure how much they cost. Not interested. And here's Smoky Beach. Sun's almost gone down now. Lots of people out tonight. Almost to the end of the beach strip now. Here's the famous Blah Blah, which is a big club with lots of bars, lots of restaurants. It's not cheap. So that was JBR Beach in the golden hour in Dubai. Short walk from the marina.